This tutorial will cover the removal and installation of the DC power supply on the Ovention Matchbox Oven model M1718. To complete this repair, you will need the following tools: a pocket straight blade screwdriver, a 1/4 inch socket or nut driver, and a ratchet. Turn off the front cover power switch, allow the unit to cool. Turn off the disconnect switch, unplug the power cord from the receptacle, or lock out the breaker. Remove the rear cooling fan filter located behind the left-hand outer control compartment cover and set it aside. Remove the 7/4 inch screws securing the left-hand outer control compartment cover in place. Disconnect the inline electrical connector for the cooling fans and set the cover aside. With a pocket straight blade screwdriver, remove the red wire from the positive terminal and the black wire from the negative terminal. Mark the wires for installation. With a pocket straight blade screwdriver, loosen the connections marked with an L and an N. Remove the white wire from N and the black wire from terminal L. Remove the 4 1/4 inch screws holding the power supply support bracket to the left-hand component support bracket. Turn the power supply over, pull the release tab to release the power supply from the mounting bracket. Reassemble the unit in reverse order. Once reassembled, without the control compartment cover installed, check all electrical connections on the power supply. Connect the cooling fan inline connector. Install the 7/4 inch screws to secure the left-hand outer control compartment cover in place. Place the left-hand rear cooling fan filter in its support bracket. Installation is complete.